Are you here to work your abs in just a short little bit of time? Well, you are in the right place. I've got the perfect video for you. Hey friends, it's Kate here. Thank you so much for jumping on my channel and joining me for a class today. Now, I have got a 10-minute Pilates class that is really all about our tummy muscles. We're going to be working those abdominal muscles nice and hard today in just a short little time. So whether you want to add this on to a class that maybe just didn't have enough core work, or you've only got a really short period of time today, this class is really going to focus on our abs, making us feel stronger through the center of our body. Roll out your mat. Let's get started. Arrive on your mat. Take a moment, pull the navel in, sit up taller and straighter. Think about growing about an inch taller away from the ground. Even if we don't physically do that, it's just that image, that feeling of stretching from the tip of your tail through each and every little vertebra out the very top of the head. Did you crane your neck as you did that, or did the chin stay level? Hopefully it did. Take an inhale and reach your hands high overhead. Hands behind the head, elbows wide. Take a big breath. Little twist right. Inhale, look forward, little twist left. Look forward, take a stretch over to the right, poking your left elbow high. Drag yourself back center, same thing other side. Drag yourself center and relax, lay on your back. From here, go ahead, bring your hands off and away. Imprint the spine, immediately feel the abdominal muscles kick on and kind of pull down to the middle of your body. Did your shoulders just lift up and away? I hope they didn't. Take a big inhale, pick up your right leg, take another breath, bring your left to meet your right. Wrap the tummy in, pull the navel in. It's like a big heavy ball is sitting on your tummy, encouraging those muscles to grow a little deeper towards the middle of your body. Without arching your back, tap your toe on the ground, exhale, pick it up. Tap your toe on the ground, exhale, pick it up. Right leg, then left leg, back and forth. Inhale down, exhale, lift. You might even take your hands to your hips, to your belly to notice. Is your tummy kind of doming or coning up? We don't want that feeling of our belly button pulling or kind of pushing up to the sky. Instead, we want not like we're caving in exactly, but lightly pulling the navel to spine, preventing the belly from kind of pooching out. Nice and slow, nice and steady. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. One more set, side to side. And then after we finish our left here, we're going to set both feet down onto the mat. Both feet down, hands behind the head, elbows wide. Take a breath, curl head and chest up. Think about lifting from the back of the shoulders, looking over the horizon of your knees. Take a big inhale. Exhale, pick up your body a little more and drop it down. Exhale, tiny curl up, tiny drop down. As you lift and lower, does it feel like you are letting your chin dictate the direction of your lift? It should happen from beneath the shoulders. It's like someone is scooping beneath your shoulders, lifting them away from the ground and dropping them down. Exhale, lift, inhale, drop. This time lift, pause, navel to spine, belly button in, pick up your right leg. Pick up your left leg, squeeze the inner thighs together. Inhale, tap the right toe down, exhale, pick it up. Tap the left toe down, exhale, pick it up. Back and forth, slow and steady. No hurry, no rush. Inhale down, exhale, curl, lift. Inhale down, cinch the waist, lift. Now, the further you take your toe away from the body, the harder this is. It's not like a little can-can dance. We're not just bending at the knee. I am reaching my whole thigh away, lifting it back up. One more set to each side. Last time right. Last time left. Pause, belly button in, elbows wide. Take a big deep inhale. Big sigh out. Reach your left shoulder towards your right knee. Exhale, twist, lift, and then drop down. Again, twist, lift, and then drop it down. Just like with those tiny crunches, it's not really about where my head, my chin, or my elbow are going. It's more about lifting from behind the back of the left shoulder blade. Two more. Exhale, twist. Inhale, drop back. Last one, twist. Drop back, pause, curl up a little higher, look over the kneecaps, big inhale, twist left and return. Twist left and return. Around we go. Bring it back. I'm lifting from underneath the shoulder, dropping it down. See if you can keep your elbow kind of pushing away from your body, not caving it in. I'm not kind of winging the elbow. I'm lifting up from behind the shoulders. Last one, curl up. Bring it back, pause, take a breath. Set your feet down, set head and chest down. Reach your hands over your head. Imprint the spine, fingertips away, take a big breath. Pick up your right leg, take a breath. Pick up your left leg, take another breath. Pick up both hands, flip them towards one another, press them together, squeeze the inner thighs, pull the navel to spine. Now from here, I want you to reach your right toe and hands away from each other. Exhale, bring it back to center. Inhale, left toe, hands away, exhale, back to center. Inhale away, exhale, bring it back. Now friends, only move your hands and legs so far away that we don't arch our back, that we feel our low back touching the mat the entire time. Inhale down, exhale, lift. Inhale down, exhale, lift. Inhale away, exhale up. Inhale away, exhale up. No hurry, no rush. And again, the further you reach your toe away, the more we don't just bend at the knee, it's not that can dance, the more challenging this is going to be. Last set. Last one. Pause. Reach your fingertips up, shoulders down the back, knit the ribs together, take a big inhale, curl up, reach your fingertips over to the right. Inhale, lower down. Exhale, curl up, reach your fingertips to the left. Curl down. Exhale, twist and lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, twist and lift. Inhale, lower. 3 more sets to each side. There is no hurry. There is no rush. If you need a moment and you want to skip a set, that's okay. But if we can keep our low back touching the mat, pressing the palms together, squeezing the inner thighs. Last one to the left. Lower your head and chest, reach your fingertips up, shoulders down the back, both toes and knees away, exhale, bring it back. Now I just let my toes come all the way down to the ground, but I can do that and still maintain my low back touching the mat. If we do not have that range of motion to reach our hands and legs away from one another, don't do it. Just barely take them away and bring them back in, and that's going to be just as challenging. It's not really about what it looks like, friends. It's how it feels in your body. 3 more, reach hands and knees away, exhale, pull it back. 2 more, reach hands and knees away, exhale, pull it back. Last one away, pull it back, pause. Belly button in, shoulders down the back. Separate the hands, flip the palms, take a breath, curl head and chest up. Fold from the sternum, reach past your hips, squeeze the inner thighs together, and then flip the palms, lift them up. You're holding an imaginary present. I want you to lift up a little higher and take your whole present over to the right. Inhale, lift it up, exhale over to the left. Think of this as like a big rainbow kind of shape that we're making. Inhale up and over, exhale down. So my shoulders are never really setting themselves down into the mat. I'm continuously folding from my sternum. I'm squeezing my inner thighs together. Inhale up and over, exhale down. Inhale up and over, exhale down. 1 more set to each side. Last time to the right. Last time to the left. Look forward, flip the palms, press them down, pull the knees deeper into the chest, flex your feet, drive your right foot away, pull it in. Drive your left foot away, pull it in. Look over the horizon of your knees. You could take a hand or 2 behind your head. You could set your head and chest down if we need it. You got this. Push and pull. Push and pull. Take it at your own pace. Straighten, bring it right back in. Straighten, bring it right back in. 1 more set. Last one. Squeeze the inner thighs, point the toes, pull the navel to spine, take a big breath. Big sigh out. Reach both feet out, exhale, pull both legs in. Reach both feet out, exhale, pull both feet in. 3 and 2. Last one, hold. Belly button in, take a big breath. Fold a little higher. If you need a hand behind your head, take it. Flutter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Last time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Take your hands over your head. Stretch. Press your feet into the floor. Press your low back into the floor. Relax the head and neck. Take a windshield wiper of your knees, side to side. No hurry, no rush. When you're ready, pull your knees into your chest. Take a rock up to a nice, easy seat. Roll the shoulders back. Sit tall, sit straight. Drop your right ear to right shoulder. Lift your left ear high. Press your left shoulder down. Take a big inhale. Point your nose down towards your right shoulder. It's almost like I'm pulling my chin a little closer to my chest, opening up across the side of the neck. Take a breath. Bring your chin down to your chest. Look forward. Left ear to left shoulder. Right ear up, right shoulder down. Big inhale. Big breath out. Point your nose down to your shoulder. Find that little stretch along the side of the neck. Take a breath. Bring your chin all the way back to chest. Bring your gaze upright. As always, give yourself a pat on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. I certainly hope you enjoyed class. I cannot wait to see you again.